Hello, welcome to the channel, welcome to the video. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how you can be able to install WordPress website, WordPress on your cPanel. So if you've been looking for videos on how to install WordPress on your cPanel, then this video is for you. So it's going to be a step-by-step guide how you can be able to do this at your own convenience. So the first step is to log into our cPanel. So we click on the cPanel to log in. Then after logging into the cPanel, we just scroll down. Then you see scripts, then you see app installers. You click on, under the app installers where you see the script, you click on the WordPress. Then after doing that, you just see where they say install. Then you click on this drop down, click on the drop down. Then you see custom install, click on custom install. Then you select HTTPS, which means security on the website. Then you remove this WP in order for you to have the directory to only be HTTPS to your domain name. So that is what you are going to do. Then when you come to this place, which is your blog section, you can write, maybe depending on the website you are going to be building. If it's going to be an e-commerce website, you just write e-commerce website. Then if the description now, the description will just be all about the website, then we are going to be writing something like, this website is for different products. Okay, so once we are done with that, all we need to do now, we can put our username and password. For this, now I'm going to just allow my username to be admin, then the password should be also admin 1 2 3 4 5. I'm still going to change it later. Don't try it, so you are not going to get access to this. So after you have done this, remember you change the site name to the name that you want. Maybe you can always change it later. Then you change the admin username and the admin password. Then you change the email. Let me say now, we created an email before, which is I think the email we created was info@this.com. That's a professional email. Then we click on what? Install. So we click on install. In order for us to install, it should be able to install within some minutes now. Okay, so it has been installed. So we can be able to go to our back end. We click to go to our back end. And we also click to go to our front end. So that's it all for this video. So this is the only way you can be able to install your WordPress website or your WordPress in your cPanel. This is the step-by-step guide. I hope you have been able to enjoy this video. If you have done that, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell for more. See you in the next video. Bye for now.